Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 niche idea channels that you can go into with YouTube automation. But before we get started, if you don't know who I am, my name is John and I do run multiple YouTube channels that make me thousands of dollars per month. And if you're interested in learning how to do the same, check the link down below in my description for my free workshop where I go over how to make passive income on YouTube with 90 videos or less. Let's move on to the actual video. So the first niche channel idea that I want to show you is tech. This is a channel called Worldwide Tech. They're at 37,000 subscribers and they're averaging about just shy of under like 300,000 views per month. They're definitely making over $1,000 per month. And so I feel like this is like a very easy niche to get into and get started with. The one thing that you do have to keep in mind is that a lot of people who are also doing tech and kind of reviewing all these products, try and think of a way to kind of stand yourself apart. What I kind of noticed with this channel compared to other tech channels that I've seen before is that number one, they've got a nice heavy dominance in their thumbnails when it comes to the color blue and it comes to the color red. As you can see, it's kind of like becoming cookie cutter, but to the extent it does work for them. Now, I'm not saying copy that same style of thumbnail just because they're doing it and it works for them. Try and think of a way to kind of, maybe you can make your thumbnails more dominantly yellow and red instead of blue. You basically have this tech channel. They're covering multiple products within a single video. I know that sometimes a lot of these tech channels, they only stick to like 7 products within a video or 10 products within this video, but you've got this channel called Worldwide Tech where they're sticking 18 gadgets within a single video. 18 gadgets that will blow your mind. 16 insane gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. 20 right here, you've got 20 insane gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. So as you can see, they're fitting a lot more products within a video, and that also is a way in which they're able to stand apart from their quote unquote competition. If we look at some of their most viewed videos, you've got one posted 4 months ago, which got 1.2 million views, one posted 5 months ago, which got 800,000 views, one posted, multiple videos posted within the past 4 months, which got over 100,000 views. With this channel in particular, of course, you can add on Amazon affiliate links to kind of add an additional source of revenue within your YouTube channel. So not only are you getting AdSense money, but you're also getting affiliate income for whatever products that you're promoting within your videos. Now, affiliate links, adding that into your description is not a very systemized thing to be doing, but you most certainly can hire someone, I imagine like the description writer, to kind of make sure that they go through the script that's provided within your, let's say for me, I compile all my files on Google Drive. So if I were to do something like this, I would hire a description writer to kind of write the description and then also go back and reference the script and get the Amazon affiliate products for all the products mentioned in the script. It makes it very easy. I don't think that's up to the video editor jobs, nor you should be doing that yourself just because it's going to take a lot of time. Now, moving on to the second niche channel idea that I want to show you, and that is travel. So here we have the YouTube channel called Hungry Passport. They're at 220,000 subscribers and they're averaging about 1.2 million views per month. I do believe that's close to, if not more than $10,000 per month. And they're posting every other day. So what you've got here is a travel channel. And so what I kind of want to point out again are things that are making this channel stick out and stand apart compared to all the other travel channels that are doing the same thing. So right off the bat, we've got nice looking thumbnails, okay? They've got power figures, or in this case, power places that they're targeting. So they're targeting Seattle, Vancouver, Las Vegas, London, Mexico City, Lisboa, Madrid. So they're targeting multiple places in which those places are basically what they're trying to capitalize upon. And with a travel channel like this, and I've studied multiple travel channels, you're looking at a long-term route, okay? We're not looking for these videos to be getting 100,000 views right off the bat. It's gonna take some time for these videos to settle in, gain some views within the algorithm, kind of prove themselves to YouTube that this is a worth watching video. If you do take a look at these videos, they are well done. They're easy to follow along. The thumbnails, of course, as I've mentioned, they're nice looking thumbnails that are getting a good, decent amount of clicks that I imagine. If you're in the travel niche, try and think of a way in which, number one, again, that you can stand apart, and number two, capitalize on specific places that are more trending than others, that are more maybe people don't know about and maybe there's not a lot of videos upon. I would say that there's a lot of videos, of course, on like the mainstream popular places like Las Vegas, New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco. I'd rather you dominate a smaller video covering like a not well-known place rather than posting a video on San Francisco and only getting like 10 views, right? There's a lot of places that can fit on a travel channel. Start with those smaller unknown places. Now, moving on to the third channel niche idea that I want to show you. It's a twist on an an existing channel which I've already seen. This here is a channel called The Marketing Show with James Hurst, and so what he does is that he teaches people about a program called Go High Level. So with this in particular, it's not your usual YouTube automation channel, but follow along with me first. They're only getting like 10,000 views per month, only posting 5 videos every 30 days, but let me kind of give you the idea that kind of spawned from looking at this channel here. What this individual James Hurst is doing is that he's creating multiple videos related to a singular product, and mostly that ties to a product called Go High Level. And so what he's doing is that he's creating all these helpful tutorial videos related to this product called Go High Level, and what he does is that he links his referral link down in the description if people want to sign up. Now, the thing with Go High Level is that number one, it's a recurring commission, and number two, it's a high ticket item. High ticket in a sense of not $1,000, but I'd say like a couple, like shy of like $100, but sometimes it can be a couple $100 depending on which plan people buy. But again, follow along with me. If you know a product very, very well, if you can create faceless videos helping people with it, then that's one avenue you can go, because you can notice that with the Marketing Show YouTube channel, they're really not getting a lot of views, but I'm actually in a Facebook group with this individual and he's making a lot of money through affiliate income. And so again, find a product that gives a nice percentage income. We're not talking about like Amazon affiliates where you're only getting like 5% or less commissions. We're talking about products which are a couple hundred or even more than $1,000, and you're getting like 50 to 30% commission rates every time you refer someone to a sale. Best but not least, at the same time, the product that he's promoting, it's recurring monthly income. It's recurring monthly commissions that he's getting. So if someone signs up and they stay signed up, he's gonna get a commission for the lifelong in which they are signed up for the program or product or whatsoever. So maybe that'll give you ideas if you know a particular program quite well, Photoshop, any email marketing softwares, any website builds, if you know those extremely well, maybe try making a bunch of tutorial videos helping people out, and then just simply say like, hey, if you want to sign up with my referral link down below, you'll get 20% off and you'll also get a free course. Just use my referral link, keep in mind it's an affiliate, and with that, you start building gradual income and you're not so reliant on AdSense. So that's the idea I like with him. He referred someone to be part of Go High Level and he received like an income check for that one individual for like $1,700. As you can see, it really depends on the product that you're promoting, the commission rates, and how helpful you are to individuals to getting them to use your referral link so that you receive that affiliate commission bonus. Moving on to the fourth YouTube channel that I want to talk about is the channel called King of Nothing. So this channel is absolutely going bonkers right now just simply because they're creating such good videos. And so what this channel is doing right is that number one, their topics aren't so easily found on YouTube. What I mean by that is they're ungoogleable. You can't just simply find, an entire article that Jake Tran, the viciously profitable business of scamming your fans. There's no specific article he's getting his resources from. It's multiple sources, and of course, it's also including his opinion. I mentioned in other videos previously before that if you want to start a documentary type based channel, which is a channel like this, you have to form a stance, target power figures. So in this case, he's targeting Jake Tran, Floyd Mayweather, Darman, Grant Cardone, Rice Gum. He's targeting all these famous individuals and using their kind of popularity to capitalize on people clicking on his videos, which is such a brilliant strategy. And then that tied to the actual really, really well done narrative scripts that he's creating, that's what's making this channel stand out. I have no doubt that this channel is gonna hit 100K subscribers. To kind of give you more metrics, he's sitting at just shy of under 1 million views per month, but I have no doubt he's gonna hit that 1 million mark. He's only posting once per week, so a lot of time being put into each individual video once per week. But if something like this, you can go, it's not so much about the number of videos that you're posting, but more so the higher quality content that you're posting. So King of Nothing, check him out. Extremely well done videos. I absolutely love his channel. But moving on to the fifth YouTube channel niche idea, we've got Miss K Drama. So if you've been around my channel sometime, you know that I have channels within the TV show niche, but this in particular just basically niches that down even more, in which instead of just doing general TV shows, why not do Korean TV shows? Korean drama, Korean news, Korean pop culture. It's a very, very in-demand thing. If you're ever on Netflix, you'll know that a lot of the TV shows on Netflix, they're all Korean based, right? So with it, we've got a channel called Miss K Drama at 110,000 subscribers. And last time I checked, they were getting like 2 million views per month. Oh, sorry, they're getting 5 million views per month. So that's well over 20 grand per month that this channel is making. They're basically capitalizing on the power figure of upcoming TV shows, of Korean celebrity names. And so with it, I don't see why someone can't do a channel like this. So if I were to do a channel like this, which hint, hint, I actually am doing, what I would do is number one, first find a scriptwriter who's actually familiar with Korean dramas. So to kind of screen people, I'm simply asking, have you seen this Korean drama? Have you seen this Korean TV show? What currently are you watching right now? And is it a Korean drama? Is it a Korean TV show? There's always new Korean dramas coming out, Korean TV shows coming out. Not only do you have the name of the TV show which you create a video on, you've also got the actors and celebrities within that TV show which you can also create videos on. So here you have an individual named Lee Jun-hoon. Here we have another video about a certain individual named Lee Da-hee. Again, you can target TV shows, you can target the actual celebrities from those TV shows, and there's just such a lot of good check marks that the Korean TV show niche checks out, in which it's really prompting even me, myself, to actually start a YouTube channel within this niche. So let that be a gold nugget for you. And again, thanks to Stand Apart. If it was up to me, I really do like the thumbnail concept that they're going for, but I already have in mind a way in which I'm gonna create my own thumbnails, which will hopefully perform better. But overall, you can see that this channel is posting consistently. They're getting around 5 million views per month. They're just about over 4 years old, but I imagine maybe they didn't start with Korean dramas. But overall, I think this is a great niche to go into. Once you've got your videos in the algorithm, you're gonna wanna watch this video next to see how to double down and capitalize on your growth on YouTube.